So it appears the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 series launch is around the corner. We recently received packaging images of the Osmo Pocket 4 revealing its design and some practical refinements, especially the two new physical buttons right below the screen. However, thanks to a newer leak, we now also have a real-life look at which is said to be the Osmo Pocket 4 Pro. So without further ado, let's have a look. So looking at the Osmo Pocket 4 Pro, what catches our eyes immediately is the two camera sensors inside the rotating gimbal head. Something never happened to the Pocket series before. Though we are still waiting for official words like type of the cameras and sensor sizes. But per the rumors, these two cameras are a wide-angle main camera and a telephoto zoom lens for taking high-quality zoom shots. So with this, we guess there will be two variants in the Osmo Pocket 4 series. One with the single lens and a Pro variant with the dual camera lens. Moving on, looking at the real-life images, we can also spot a rotatable touchscreen, and below it, though the image is not clear, but like the base model Osmo Pocket 4, here we can also expect two new buttons. One is customizable and the other one is for zoom, which will be quite handy for vloggers. And even below, there is a joystick and a recording button with a red circle on it. Now, unfortunately, though the Osmo Pocket 4 series has leaked multiple times, but the DJI is still tile-lipped. However, with the fresh leaks like a packaging box, we guess the launch is not far off. Of course, I will keep you updated, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.